3 chicken drumsticks into a lidded jar. Next, add enough beer to cover them. Cover the jar and let them marinate for 30 minutes. After this time has passed, remove the chicken drumsticks from the beer and pat them dry. Then, remove all the skin just like I'm doing. Now, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom. And once the oil is hot, add the chicken we prepared and fry until lightly golden brown. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right point. Remove from the skillet and set aside. Then, in a medium bowl, add 200 grams of wheat flour. Season with 1 tablespoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon of chimichurri, and mix everything very well to incorporate. Next, divide this flour into 2 equal parts, placing them in 2 medium bowls. In one of them, add 2 whole eggs, 100 milliliters of water, and mix everything very well until combined. In the other bowl, add 80 milliliters of water and mix until the flour forms lumps. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. It should look like this. Now, bread the chicken we prepared in these mixtures. First, dip it in the more liquid mixture, then coat it in the lumpy mixture. Repeat this process with the remaining chicken drumsticks. Next, pour vegetable oil into a large skillet over medium to low heat. And once the oil is hot, add the breaded chicken and fry until golden brown. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.